Do you want to make success predictable? Success is nothing more than a few simple disciplines, practiced every day. Identify the things that are important to your life and work, and create a routine to work on them daily. Soon they will become second nature, and life will start to flow. As an entrepreneur, prioritize the revenue-generating activities and outsource the rest to us, so you can focus on your superpower and bringing value to your target avatar.
Don't settle. Do work you love. Design your future. Discover the best way to grow your business. Design your future. Monetize your story. Powered by Digital Samurai. Get started now. Scan the code or go to designyourfuture.biz.